Hello bachcho, how are you all? Today we learn chapter 1 plants are green friends. First, let's revise. Observe this plant and try to name the parts of the plant that are marked in this image. Let's try to name these parts. Can we all do that? Let's do it together. Can you help me in finding the name of this part which is yellow in color and marked as A? Yes, it is the flower of this plant. What about this orangish and yellowish colored part, which is marked as C? Yes, it is the fruit of a plant. Oh, we left the B part. This is the green structure of the plant. Can you help me in naming this one? Yes, it is a leaf of this plant. So we'll write leaf for this one. What about this tall stick, wooden stick-like structure, which is helping this plant to stand straight? Yes, this is the stem of the plant. What about the structure which is present under the soil and scattered in all directions? Roots. Great work. So we finally find out exactly the parts of the plant which are marked here. Now in this session we'll take a closer look at all these parts of the plant, and we'll also discover their unique roles in how they help plants to grow tall and big. Let's begin this session then. First, we have roots. So we just saw that roots are the part of the plant which are present under the soil. And remember, they are spread out in all the directions. And they do so to absorb maximum amount of water from the soil. So they help plant in standing straight and strong, and they also help plant in absorbing all the water from the soil. Next, we have stems. The stem are the tallest part of the plant, which help a plant to stand straight. Look how straight these stems are, right? So they help a plant to stand straight. And one more important thing, they support the structure of plants like leaves and sometimes flowers and fruits also. So leaf, flowers and fruits are present on the stems. Then we have leaves. Leaves come in all sort of sizes, shapes and colors. Leaves actually help a plant to prepare their own food because they don't have a mouth like us to eat food, right? So it is because of leaves that help a plant to prepare their own food in presence of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. And that is why leaves are also called the kitchen of the plant. Let's move further. Flowers. Attractive and colorful part of plant. We always love only this part of plant, right? I used to love roses. Which flower is your favorite? Name it. So flowers are colorful and attractive parts of plant, and they turn into fruits and they also give us seeds. And fruits are the delicious, juicy, pulpy parts of the plant. How many fruits name do you know? Great. So these are fruits, and fruits are the delicious part of plant, and these fruits are grown from flowers, and the fruits have seeds in them. Then we have seeds. This is just one seed. Not all seeds are similar to this one. Seeds come in all sort of shapes and sizes and colors. And these seeds are actually that structure of plant that help to begin a new life. It means a plant's new life begins with a seed. So seed comes in different shapes, sizes and colors, and they need water, warmth and air to grow into a new plant. The process by which a tiny seed begins to grow into a new plant is called germination. Let's now understand how a plant grows from that tiny seed to this big, tall plant. So this is how it grows. This is a seed. When we sow the seed in a soil, it needs what? Water, warmth, and air, right? And when it gets sufficient quantity, sufficient amount of water, warmth, and air, it begins to sprout. And these little tiny seedling grows into a taller plant day by day. Eventually, a flower appears, and this flower turns out into a fruit. Now we learnt that fruit has seed inside them. So these fruits will have seed inside them, and then these seeds again start this cycle all over. So this is how a tiny seed is responsible to make a big, huge plant. Got it? Let's revise what all we learned. We learned different structure of the plant. Roots. Roots give us support to the plant by holding it firmly in the soil. Stem supports parts of the plant like leaves, flowers, and fruits. Leaves make food for plants, that's why they are known as kitchen of the plant. Flowers are colorful parts of the plant that turn into fruits and give us seeds. Fruits are the juicy and pulpy parts of the plant that grow from flowers and have seeds inside them. Seeds are the small parts produced by plants from which a new plant grows. Remember, we learned that how seed makes a new plant. So seeds are responsible to form a new plant. And this process by which a tiny seed begins to grow into a new plant is called as germination. I hope I made it clear for you to know each and every function of the parts of the plant. We'll meet again. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.